Recording.
Hey, so I am at the Deals Gap store. This is what Deals Gap looks like at Valentine's Day. As you can tell, there are no lovers or inbreeders here today. I am on 2000 Honda VFR Deluxe. I have a new helmet and got a Sena Evo 10C camera running right now with the crappy headset, the headset that comes with it, and the microphone. So we're trying it out, see how it sounds. I can already tell you the music sounds like crap in my helmet, so I'm gonna have to buy the high def headset. But we're on US 129 south of Deals Gap. I heard that they were trimming the trees here, and like I said, they trimmed the trees all right. See all the stumps they left? It looks different through here. I've only been riding this road for give or take 35 years. And even in the winter time, there's always a tree canopy over the road. And as you can see, there are no longer trees over the road. So this summer there's not going to be any shade on this road like there normally was. Not as much shade. They really took out a lot of trees. It does look different. But yeah, new helmet. I put all my stuff in it. It fits okay. It fits like a new helmet, right? Whoa. It fits like a new helmet. Really tight. Smells like a new helmet. That's a plus. But the cheek pads are really tight. I'm really looking forward to getting those broken in. It seems like just when you get your helmet to where you think it's perfect for your head, it's time to get rid of it. Alright, there's the Fugitive Dam. That's what it looks like in the wintertime. You can see the river next to us. The river is flowing. It is flowing. We've had so much rain in the last week, and we're about to get more rain. There are no kayakers out here. This would be perfect time for the kayakers. It's 52 degrees, but I haven't been cold so far today. The roads have been clean. forward to watching this video. This is my noisiest bike, and I have all kinds of wind noise in this helmet. This is a bad design. Oh, a groundhog's out. But yeah, the bike, I've got the Healy risers on it. Puts the handlebars about 1.5 inches higher. And then I've got the tall Givi windscreen. And at 5'10", the wind exits the windscreen right in my face, so it gives me just all kinds of wind noise. I haven't had a helmet on that hasn't been just pummeled by the wind. The HJC F70. It's black and white, a little bit of red on it. It's kind of cool. The windshield is huge on it. So really the only blind spot I have is in front of my left eye, where the radar detector, the H.A.R.D system LED is. And it does have it has a cool little drop down dark smoke visor. I bought the light smoke for the face shield. I typically wear sunglasses when I ride. I'm not a huge fan of the gray color. The sunglasses I wear are like I guess bronze or root beer colored, so they block the sunlight, but they make the road and the grass and stuff on the sides, the yellow line, they make that stuff really brilliant. There's no way you can miss it. Let me just say that. There's no way you can miss the green grass or the double yellow line. But yeah, I do like the helmet. I got to get my 848 inspected, so I'll try it on that bike next. It's got to be a warm day for me to ride the 848. We were in the 20s this morning. I didn't get on the bike till noon. It's only supposed to be a high of 57. We just jumped up to 53 right now. We jumped up a whole degree. But look how much water's over there. Look at the rapids. Woo-woo!